Hello, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add someone in your Facebook business manager. So for this you have to open facebook.com and then you have to go to either in ads manager or in business suite. So I would like to go to business suite, and then when you reach here you just need to click on more tools and then click on business setting. So here you have to select your business, like I would like to select this business. Click on this business and then it will take you to business setting. So here you can see the business setting. Here you have to click on people, and then you have to click you have to write any email here, right? Like I write okay, and then click add, or if you want to directly add someone, then click add, click enter email here. Either you want to give employee access or admin access. So I click admin access, then next. First you have to select the pages where you want to give access, and then click on manage page and click here, and then add count, and then click the fourth one, catalog, apps, pixel. So select all of those pixel that you want to give access. So I have selected these pixel, enter, and then click on invite. When you click here in invite, then invitation will be sent, and if you want to add more people, then you can click here to add more people. So guys, in this way you can give access to someone of your business manager. So if you want to remove someone or you want to resend this request again, then you need to click here. If you want to cancel, then you can cancel from here. And the second method is, if you want to give someone access to your business manager, then you can click here in ads manager or business suite. So I will click now ads manager, and then it will take you to ads manager, and then you have to click here, then select your business manager. Like I am selecting this business manager, and then click here, then select business setting, and here again you can write an email here or click on add and then write email and give access, like as I have given access in the previous section. Thank you guys for watching this video.